Alam ko si Duterte niya, may kasamang babae ito. Ginagawa yan. It has become a trap for fools. But Rosa Rizal, in her case, made sure that what God has given her, she used it for the benefit of mankind. That's why I think harmony is something that we hunger for these days. Look at what's happening in our country. Sa ibang tao, wala kang pag-asa itong bansa natin. Sa amin, mga kaparali ko rito, ewan ko si, ito, nagka-text mo sa akin sa gabi, pag mag-kikis-kis natin ito, ano mo, walang silbi yan. What you need to do is coax the people to say, we are going to be better because of what is happening. And if there is injustice, you fight all the way to the end. Which is what I said today. I met Secretary Enrile when I was still in college of law, a freshman, because my father was assassinated. There were 3 attempts at that, and I never gave up. And what I learned there is that you don't give up. And Enrile was the type of person who will help you if you help yourself. I say this to the Red Cross because we think we are entitled. We are not. We have to work for everything that we have. If we're a lot better now because of Tito Ros. Now we have 109 blood banks. Tama ba yan? All over the country. Now do you know that because of Tito Ros and Subrasa NHQ, we can give blood anywhere in the country from Apari, from Batanes to Holo. Anytime. Because we can send it by air, kinukulang sila doon. We look at it every day in our operation center. Ito ang dugo natin, tulong po, ito ang dugo natin, A, B, O, A, B, RH negative, lahat ng type na doon, wala kayong may type feeding for that. We have that. Do you know that? Yeah. So if you know that, then you're secure. Then we can encourage people. But do you know? Oh, so we'll see now. Do you know? May mga tao na sabihin ba? Bigyan tayo ng bigyan ng dugo, tapos sinisigil tayo. Minsan gusto ko rin sabihin, torpe kayo talaga. Stultus ang lahat niya. Turpis. Because lahat yun, hindi marunong magbigay. They don't know how to share. They don't know how to celebrate life by helping others. We have cost. And you know what? When we have a problem, what did we think of? We thought of asking our friends so that we would have a blood. Manina, hindi kita. Tulong din eh. Ano? Blue Blood Samaritan Program. So lahat ng kaibigan natin, itong simula yan, okay, kinuha, may Procter & Gamble ko. Sabi ko, laban sa 5 lupa. Katibig. Eh, hindi ko mahihingi ng pera, nabigyan ng 11.2 million. Yun ang naging support natin. At ngayon, magkano mo nila?
165 million.
165 million. That's $3. Diba? Don't credit me. She wanted blood, my mother wanted blood, everybody wanted blood in the 4 corners of this country. At yun na. Now we have blood Samaritan. We even have an ambulance Samaritan program. Pag hindi ka makabayad, pabayaran. Wala na yung card ko, kiluha lahat ng mga pads ko sa Senate kanina. Ano ka ang card mo? Safe card? I never miss a beat. Safe card. Safe card. Yan, talaga kay EA ko. Hindi ang list ko. Ang card pa sa UP lang. Alam ko magaling. Ayan, nanauna ka ng MCU. Ito, 1,200, namumulipot pa kayo. Meron tayong 180 ambulances, kukunin yung tao pag na-disgrasa, nakikita niyo ang TV, bumabantay yung mga tricycle, yung mga motorcycles, kukunin niya sa kanyon. Pag nakuha ito, nakalagay ang mga member of Red Cross 143, safeguard, dahil ako yung safeguard, ako dati ang accounting secretary niya sa Brandman, sa Red Cross, ito safeguard. Pag nakuha ito sa kanya, ang tao na sa Red Cross, tatakbo si, ano ba natin na safety natin, ano ba natin si... Laki ba yung babae? Hindi mo nagkasawa, ate, kuya, wala dito. Nasaan? Kumakain sa labas. O yan, nagpapadaling pumapasok. So now, kung sulit ka ng Red Cross ambulance, meron ka pang dugo, handog ni Tita Rose. At pagka ikaw ay nagkasakit na matagal, meron kang 200 pesos a day for 2 months. At pagka yung kalaban yung hinihing nyo ay nabigyan ninyo ito, pag namatay yun, meron pa siya 300,000. Yan. Yan. That's only 100 a month. Taka na yung commercial. Kuda ko kanina. And we said all that, that's the legacy of one person named Tita Rose. We can very be the legacy of Kalingo Vergado Zamboanga. Yan ang mga seniors natin. We very be the legacy of Governor Calo in Agusan. O sino pa ba yun? Ano? The legacy of Governor Amelia Gordon. And the legacy of many other folks like you who have worked hard, like Loretta Palacio. Having said that, Pastor Ben, I would like to ask for permission to say in behalf of Tita Rose, Ego, Te Absolvo, Apitatis Tuis, Sinongay Pati, Espiritu, Pili, Pili sa Lucilis, Tinisan, Pili, ang Espiritu Santo. Amen. At ang mga kasalanan pinapatawad ko na kayo. Hindi napatawad si Francisco kayo, si Pastor eh. Diba?